how you can make over $2,000 per day or per week, whatever your goal is, as you can see here on my screen, with casino or gambling industry, doing affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads or even native ads. So in this video, I'm going to show exactly step by step actually how you can get started in a gambling space and start generating huge results. As you can see over here, right, we are having the earnings over 2,000 euros, 1,000 euros, 900 euros, right? And all these commissions are basically paid out by CPA networks. So what do I mean by that? For example, when you have a person depositing 25 or 50 US dollars for casino online, the company is going to pay you $100 to $200 per deposit. Right? So that's actually really huge amount of money. And why would they pay you if you're a beginner and you don't understand affiliate marketing, especially CPA affiliate marketing? Is they pay you because these companies understand these people are going to spend more and more money in their casino online systems, of course. So let's go straight into it so you can see how we are doing it. But before we go into it, let me show you over here my landing page. Right? My landing page that I'm personally using, right? So if you're always wondering, okay, what are the landing pages like? This is not on ClickFunnels. It's another network, another software. But as you can see, right, it doesn't seem like a ClickFunnels affiliate page like most of gurus on ClickBank are trying to sell you or portray to you how actual landing or pre-sale page should look like, right? As you can see over here, it's totally different position because I understand that those networks and especially people, human beings who are actually depositing money on those casino gambling websites, they have a different frame of mind, right? So you cannot use the same kind of pre-sale pages or landing pages for every single niche. It does not work this way, right? You can see the difference over here, right? It does not even seem like a sales page at all, right? So it's much more in the details, but of course, I'm not going to share with you every single detail if you're not my student yet. So let's go straight into it right now. Let me share with you over here, right, where you can find me later. It's on my Instagram over here, right? So here you can reach out to me later if you have any kind of questions. Now, let's go straight into it so you can see exactly how this works. As you can see over here, right, you have to understand that in the gambling space, right, it's addiction market. So for example, in the health space, you have people like nail biting, right? Hair pulling. So all these are addictions, OCD or whatever, right? So addiction market is nothing wrong with that. You just have to take legal advantage of that market, right? Because let's be honest, people are going to spend money on lottery, on gambling, on sport casinos and stuff like that anyways, right? It's what they do. So why not take advantage of that and make money for yourself? But what you have to understand is this, as you're watching this video right now, right? You have to understand the ad copy, the text on your landing page, the targeting will determine if you're gonna make money or not, right? Because you have to understand, you're selling or promoting to high and low emotional states. So every market has a core emotions to it, right? Weight loss, diet, nutra, they have, for example, shame as a main core emotion to it. In men's dating niche, like dating and relationships space, you have hope. So you have to portray hope in this kind of messages, right? Again, this is not a dark side. It's not evil. It is what it is, right? It's marketing space. And if you're promoting something helpful, of course, you can make good money and of course also help other people. So in the crypto space is certainty, right? And in the make money online, BizOp niche, right? Opportunities, investment niche, it's greed. So that's how it works. Those are core emotions, and now based on those emotions, you can build great landing page and have a great message to the market match, right? Because if your market over here, your audience does not match with your messaging, right? There is disconnect. So you have to connect. And how you do that, my friend, is by having the right message to the market match and understanding high and low emotional states in your marketing online, right? So over here you can see, right, the low emotional state customers live in the state of why. So they keep asking the same questions like, why me? Why I cannot make money? Why I'm sick? Why I'm fat, right? So this is all low emotional states. And gambling, casino niche goes into this space as well, right? So lots of these people want something for nothing, right? So that's why it really works. And it's a huge $1 billion industry, right? You can do your own research. You don't have to believe me, right? But you can see tons of companies advertising casinos, gamblings online because they understand the power behind it, right? They understand huge power behind this advertising of casinos. So what you can do, right, is remember this, right? The big idea of casino and gambling is that those people are problem focused, right? They're not focused on solutions, they're just focusing on the why. So, right, that's why you have to understand if you can put your ads in the why state, of course you'll get 200 to 15 to 500%, so 5x more click-through rate and sales than if you would not do that, right? If you don't understand it. Now, as you're watching this video, I know maybe you have tried affiliate marketing or maybe you did ClickBank and it did not work out. Now, it's not your fault, I understand. Now, if you really want to get results, you need to have someone who will help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way and guide you through this, right? So, as you're watching this video right now, what you can do is, the next step over here is, if you really want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and below this video, you can find me on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, my private email list, right? You can email me as well, and only if you are serious. So as you watch this video, maybe you're questioning yourself right now, okay, so how much money do I need to invest to actually start having some, let's say, sustainable passive income? Sustainable, I mean, not like you gamble, right? But you have daily income, at least, I don't know, $300, $600 per day in profit. So I will tell you like this, look, my friend, if you're watching this video, what you have to understand is, if you want to have someone who will help you through along the way, give you the landing pages that actually convert, give you the ad copy, give you the targeting, give you the back end that actually works, right? You need to have minimum 500 USD to, let's say, between 5,000 USD, okay? So let me ask you, how much would it be worth to you, right? Have you ever think about this, like, have you ever imagined how would you feel like, how would it be like if you got, let's say, started with 5,000 US dollars, right? You started with 5K, and next month, after 30 days, you started to make, I don't know, 8K per month profit. After that, right, a month later, let's say you're making $15,000 per month, right, in profit. So do the math. The math is, how much is this costing you? How much is not getting started, not getting mentorship, not getting coaching actually costing you in your income, right? If you're not making $100,000 per year yet, and you're making, let's say, $5,000 per month in your salary, how much is actually costing you every month to not get started, right? Think about it. It's costing you it's costing you the gap, the difference. So if you're making 5K per month in your day job 9 to 5, and you would be making $10,000 per month online, it's costing you $5,000 per month. So actually you're losing $5,000 every single month because you're not getting started. Maybe you're afraid, and maybe you worry about investing money in yourself and getting results. And those things are all understandable. It's understandable, but at some point you have to understand, are you going to take action now and do something, or are you going to keep making excuses why you cannot have enough money, why you don't have $5,000 to invest, why you don't have 2,000 euros to invest in yourself, in actually getting someone to get you up and running, right? We're not talking about millions. I'm not promising you, I'm not guaranteeing you any millions here. I'm telling you consistent 5,000 euros to 15,000 euros per month, that is totally doable. It's not over the top. It's somewhere here in the middle. Even if you're a newbie, yeah, you can do it, but only if you're serious, right? Only if you're committed, right? And by committed, I mean you need to have money. Do not reach out to me if you don't have at least money I'm showing you here, because otherwise I cannot help you at all, right? So the boat is here for you to save you, but you have to take action. You have to reach out and do something. All right. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know after watching this video.